How to add multiple accounts on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, open your Facebook app. Here we go. You can see that I'm already logged into my Facebook account. Now here I'm going to show you how to add another account. For that you will need to head towards the option of menu. After you land to the menu page, scroll down. You can see the option of logout. Tap on it. Tap on logout. Now you will see the option of log into another account. Tap on it. Now here you have to enter a mobile number or email and password of the account that you want to log in. After you enter it, tap on login. And here you can see that I just logged into another account. This is how you can easily add another account on your Facebook. Likewise, in the case you want to add another account as well, then you can again head towards the option of menu and tap on logout. If you want to save this login info, you can tap on save. Tap on logout. Now again you can tap on this option of log into another account and type in email and password and log into another account. This is how you can easily add multiple accounts on your Facebook. This is very simple and quick process. I hope now you guys are clear about how to add multiple accounts on Facebook. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.